As the first crushing production line, the efficiency of the jaw crusher completely controls the output of this line. Although different models of jaw crushers work at different efficiencies, but is there any way to maximize the efficiency of a jaw crusher? There are actually some tips for improving jaw crusher output per hour. Here are a few summaries for your reference. The first is to reduce the possibility of clogging. Real-time production is guaranteed as long as the equipment is not shut down for any problems. The most common cause of shutdown is blockage. Once plugged, the crushing chamber needs to be cleaned. By shutdown will affect productivity. Secondly, blocking occurs because of the large size of material. How to calculate material size of crushed material? A formula can be calculated. Crushables multiplied by 1.2 equals the size of the feed inlet. Inlet size is not the largest size of crushable material. In fact, this does not leave enough space for movement and crushing of the jaws. So the jaw crusher is blocked by excessive crushing material. Then adjust the angle of the crushing chamber between the mandible and jaw. Change the size of inlet and outlet on crushing chamber. Ensure that the inclination angle is between 17-26. The last is to ensure a stable supply. This is usually avoided as long as the feeder feeds evenly. Use these techniques appropriately. In light of the actual situation, reasonably raise the efficiency of jaw crusher to increase output.